Munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua anatirimanite na Independent Constitution Commission na Independent Offices na arabetikanirite BUBUI WIKANIA KOTI nyontubuni UTUMIRI BUBUI bombecha UGOTI chemwingi ngerekano tegarikare National Police Service na munini wa burithi Jafet Kome kumania na gwitithirwa nkathi kwa bisa bamwe ba burithi Anthony Kathinya na ndetui.
Munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua nenyirite muto wa Rais William Ruto na thirikari yae wa gutigira itengo kiumbe ile ithondeketwe ni katiba na ikwelungamila na kuruta ngugebula kubaterie gutina nkusanio na itengo bingi. Gachagua la kwalagia nyima kutilima na itengo bibi ofisini je Karen ARIUGA thirikari ni ambiritie waraniria na kanjone na kulungamila tungata ba polisi amona inspector muneno wa polisi kenda kuthiria nkusanio ile jithiritwa ilio katika itengo bibi.
I've taken time to assure the commissions and the independent offices that President William Ruto and his administration have no intention whatsoever to interfere with their functional and operational independence. Ours is to support their work by creating bridges where there are issues that are cross-cutting between government and parliament and other bodies. There was a bit of misunderstanding between the Inspector General of Police and the National Police Service Commission, and we have agreed within this framework the issues are neither here nor there. We'll have an opportunity to iron them out so that that commission and that independent office can serve our country better.
Gachagua kiongagira kuga gutino bataru no bweko bwaitengo bibi kwira na kotini na keleba kwendekithia ni waranire bwa kiguni kenda kuthiria nkusanio ino.
In the meantime, we have also agreed that it is not right, it is not prudent for constitutional commissions and independent offices to take each other to court because they all use money from the taxpayers, and it is a case of Kenyans funding and financing legal battles between commissions and independent offices serving the same people. So we are saying that at this forum will encourage dialogue and reaching out to build consensus on issues that may be bringing some conflict or misunderstanding.
Kulingana na Gachagua, thirikari ya Rais William Ruto nikirita wirane atititonyela rutingogie boitengo bibi kiumbe na werigiro bwa Rais William Ruto ni atibikathi na mbele kurutira Kenya wira bula kubaterie.
These constitutional commissions and independent offices are very critical in service delivery, and therefore it is the intention of government to facilitate them and to make sure they are able to work seamlessly to serve the people of Kenya. It is the President's position, and we all share, those who work under him, that our legacy in this country will be to build strong institutions, because strong institutions serves a country better, and the people are the beneficiaries at the end of the process.
Kanjone ne akutongera rutingo kibwa polisi amona inspector munene wa polisi nibakolegro kinyambele kamite kola idilo tunga tabwa katiba kienda kunenkanera weru kirempado ino jao kuma muji muneno Nairobi beta Anthony rangi wa Kathinya.